10-year-old autistic boy named John Benji Haywood showed up to school expecting to take a test. The day ended with police handcuffing him and taking him to a juvenile facility. What is going down, friends? My name is Charlotte Dobre and this is IO. Before we get into this video, I want to know, I know we have a lot of autistic fans, has your condition ever caused problems for you at school? Did or does your school give teachers special training for working with autistic kids? Let me know in those comments down below. John Haywood was suspended from his school last November after allegedly punching and kicking a school employee. John and his mother Luana had no idea that there was actually a warrant out for John's arrest after the incident. When John showed up to school to take his test after his suspension was over, officers showed up and arrested him. His mother shared a video of John being handcuffed and taken away by police officers. The clip has since gone viral. It shows John crying and pleading, asking the officers not to touch him. His mother tells the officers he has autism, he doesn't know what's going on, and he's really scared. He's only 10 years old. Autism is a neurodevelopmental disorder characterized by impaired social interaction and challenges with social skills. Around 1 in every 68 children in the US has autism. So in short, John couldn't help acting out against a teacher. His brain just works a little differently. John ended up spending the night in a juvenile facility. He was released under house arrest the next day, and his court date is May 11th. I find it kind of alarming that this school employee pressed charges against a 10-year-old autistic kid. Don't get me wrong, punching and kicking somebody shouldn't be tolerated, especially an employee of your school, but John has autism. Doesn't that change things? People with autism can be unruly when they're upset, but they can also be incredibly loving and intelligent. John's mother Luana shared the video in hopes that it would bring awareness to the lack of services within the school system to support children with all disabilities. Perhaps if this employee were trained better for dealing with kids with autism, he would not only have been able to handle the situation better, but he also would have had a better understanding of autism. Anyways guys, that's my 2 cents. Let me know your opinions in the comments down below, and I will see you in another IO video.